How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. To do this, first of all, open the Play Store application, tap on search for Instagram, tap on it. Instagram is a update available. Open the Instagram app, tap on the Reels icon at the bottom of your screen to start watching short videos. Under the top right corner, tap the three dots line. If your app support it, you might see an auto scroll or auto play option. Turn it on if available. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.